Fake chicken eggs, also known as artificial eggs, are a counterfeit version of chicken eggs that have been circulating in some parts of the world. These eggs are often sold at a lower price than the genuine ones, which makes them an attractive option for some consumers. However, the production of these fake eggs is an unregulated industry, which means they can pose significant health risks to consumers. In this article, we will explore how fake chicken eggs are formed and the processes used to make them. How are fake chicken eggs formed? Fake chicken eggs are usually made from various materials, such as wax, plaster of Paris, and even plastic. These materials are shaped into egg-sized molds, which are then filled with a mixture of chemicals and food products to mimic the properties of egg whites and yolks. The process of making fake chicken eggs is not standardized, and the ingredients used vary depending on the manufacturer. Some manufacturers use food-grade materials, such as starch and gelatin, to create the egg whites and yolks. However, others use dangerous chemicals, such as industrial-grade calcium carbonate and alum, which are known to cause health problems. What processes do they use to make fake eggs? The production of fake chicken eggs is a complex process that involves several stages. Here are the primary steps involved in making fake eggs. Molding. The first step in making fake chicken eggs is to create the molds. These molds are often made of silicone, metal, or plastic, and are designed to mimic the shape and size of real chicken eggs. To create the egg white, the manufacturer may use a combination of food-grade materials, such as starch, protein, and gelatin. The ingredients are mixed with water to create a paste-like consistency, which is then poured into the egg white molds. To create the egg yolk, the manufacturer may use a similar combination of food-grade materials, such as starch and pigments. The mixture is then poured into the egg yolk molds. After the egg white and yolk have been poured into their respective molds, the molds are left to dry. This process can take several hours, depending on the manufacturer's instructions. Once the egg whites and yolks have dried, they are removed from their molds and assembled into complete eggs. The manufacturer may then use food coloring to make the fake eggs look more like real eggs. Detecting fake chicken eggs can be challenging, as they are designed to mimic the appearance and texture of real eggs. However, there are some methods that you can use to identify fake eggs. Real eggshells have a slightly porous texture, while fake eggshells are often smooth and shiny. You can use a flashlight to examine the eggshell's surface and look for any irregularities or imperfections. If the eggshell looks too perfect, it may be a fake egg. Fake egg yolks and egg whites often have a slightly different color and consistency than real eggs. Real egg yolks are typically bright yellow, while fake yolks may be slightly darker or paler. Real egg whites are clear and slightly runny, while fake egg whites may be thicker and more gel-like. Fake eggs may be more prone to cracking than real eggs, so look for any cracks on the surface of the egg. If the egg appears to be cracked, you can try gently pressing on it with your fingers to see if it feels solid or squishy. You can conduct a simple water test to help identify fake eggs. Fill a bowl with water and gently place the egg in the water. Real eggs will sink to the bottom, while fake eggs will float. This is because fake eggs are often made with lighter materials than real eggs. Fake eggs may have a strange or unusual smell that is different from real eggs. If you notice any unusual odors coming from the egg, it may be a fake egg. In conclusion, while it can be challenging to detect fake chicken eggs, there are several methods that you can use to help identify them. By inspecting the eggshell, egg yolk, and egg white, checking for cracks, conducting a water test, and paying attention to the smell, you can increase your chances of identifying fake eggs and avoid any potential health risks. The health risks of consuming fake chicken eggs. Consuming fake chicken eggs can pose significant health risks to consumers. The materials used in the production of fake eggs can contain harmful chemicals and toxins, which can cause health problems such as food poisoning, gastrointestinal issues, and even cancer. Additionally, some fake eggs have been found to contain high levels of bacteria, such as salmonella, which can cause severe illness and even death. The risk of bacterial contamination is especially high when the fake eggs are not properly stored or cooked. Fake chicken eggs are a growing problem in some parts of the world. These eggs are often produced using dangerous chemicals and toxins, which can pose significant health risks to consumers. It is essential to be vigilant when purchasing eggs and to ensure that you only buy from reputable sources. If you suspect that you have consumed fake eggs, it is crucial to seek medical attention immediately. By taking these precautions, you can help protect yourself and your family from the dangers of fake chicken eggs.